for everything. Thank you for being the first one to believe in me. When I had my doubts, you were the first one to believe in me that I can do it. Followed me throughout my journey from a child and now being as a captain. Thank you for everything. I love you.
You're welcome. Love you too.
Siyempre excited ako. So, I'm always checking na hindi magbabago yung schedule ko. Siyempre pangarap ko yan. Pangarap ko na maisakay sila. Siyempre, I need to set the feelings apart from my job. Kasi as the captain, I need to make sure that everything is safe. And I need to do my job first.
Actually, mixed emotions. Kasi iba yung feeling pag yung anak. Hindi ko mo alam yung magiging reaction ko. Excited, masaya, proud. Kung papanoodin mo, feeling ko, talagang natatawa ko. Gusto ko nga sanang tumaya para ipagsigawan na that's my son. Pero syempre, i-compose mo rin yung sarili mo. Pero I'm so very, very proud of him na nakasakay ako finally na siya yung pilot. Continue to pursue his dream. Alam ko na marami pa siyang gustong marating sa pagiging piloto niya. Palaging sanang maging humble, put his feet always on the ground.
Ma, thank you for everything. Thank you for being the first one to believe in me.
Thank you for your support sa akin. I don't know how to make you feel more prouder or kung ano man may bibigay ko pa, pero I just want to say that I am grateful and I always felt na mahal nyo kami magkakapatid. Ma, I love you.
Thank you for everything. I love you.
You're welcome. Love you too.